Is Sage Intacct really the best all-in-one business management suite in 2025 or just another overhead accounting tool? Sage Intacct is a cloud-based financial management and business suite built for growing companies that need more than basic bookkeeping. It's not just accounting. It covers multi-entity consolidation, revenue recognition, inventory tracking, project management, and even real-time analytics. One of its biggest strengths is automation. In 2025, Sage Intacct uses AI-driven workflows to cut down on manual data entry and speed up approvals, saving finance teams hours every week. Plus, its customizable dashboards give CEOs and CFOs a clear picture of cash flow, profitability, and KPIs in real time. It also integrates seamlessly with CRMs, payroll tools, and e-commerce platforms, so you can manage everything from one place. The downside? It's pricey and works best for mid-sized to large businesses, so small startups might find it overkill. If you need enterprise-grade financial control, automation, and scalability, Sage Intacct is one of the most powerful options on the market right now. For big teams with big goals, Sage Intacct can be a game changer. For small teams, maybe wait until you grow.